Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. Kalong ke election MDC ke bajuat haka constituency nongkrem ya ka bakipat ba nong tap vote haki ki jaka namar kalong ka ba iklan bor namar ka jingya khrut ki pat ba. Ka jingya kun hanong krem ka dei hapreng ki kertong Voice of the People Party uba kit box im uba lambor manyang kertong shimen bar usimbol umaw lenai. Ukertong kongres ba lambor nongrum bar ki weipan. Hanongkrem constituency kinong tap vote ki bun ki khambun ki kenthe bat ya ki shinrang ha ka polling station basic school nongkrem hadu ka por saw baje janmit ki pat ba kidang yenglan bat ki kertong kidang bun kam ka yat karung sha ki polling station ban ai khublei pat ba na kaliang ukertong shimen uba lambor malnyang udon jengkermen banjam namar uyo maulenai na ki pat ba.
We are expecting to win with a good margin. So looking forward with the support of my people in my constituency. We are sure that this time we'll get through.
So how do you look at the rival candidate here? You know there's a stronghold of VPP and the wave is still there. Do you
No,
think?
see, thing has changed now. You cannot say that this is a stronghold of VPP. Now it is the stronghold of Maulanai, the diamond, stronghold of diamond.
So see now, what are the issues here plaguing and what are you going to take?
See, there are lots of issues. When you talk about the problems faced by the people in my constituency, you talk about the problem faced by the Dabashinang, the problem faced by the individuals. They have different problems. So my message to my people is that I am there with them. I will give my best services for the people of Nongkrem constituency. That is the confidence within me. Thank you.